All right, what's up, guys? It's Mark here at Dino Trading. Hope you had a fantastic trading week so far. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to trade the VIX. All right, what you're seeing on the screen right now is a daily chart of a very interesting stock symbol called the TVIX. Okay, what this instrument is designed to do is it's designed to react to massive swings in volatility. And as you can see, from looking at this chart right here, this is no joke, man. All right, check this out. On February 15th, not even a month ago, the TVIX closed at 50, right? You can see that here in the y-axis. And check out where we are today. The TVIX touched 600, right? So it went from $50 to $600 in a month. Okay, now I don't care who you are or what you trade, stocks, futures, Forex, options. This move here in the TVIX, okay, I don't think anybody in the world has ever seen a move like this in any instrument, right? I mean, unless you've been living under a rock the last few weeks, you probably recognize that the market has absolutely gone berserk and it's a day trader's paradise right now. Day traders all over the world are flocking into the market and just taking advantage, huge advantage of these wild swings. All right, so let's check out the intraday version of the TVIX, right? So if this is a daily chart, a daily stock price chart of the TVIX, well then this right here is an intraday chart, okay, of the TVIX with my Dino Bars filter on top of it. Okay, remember what I said in a few videos ago. I think it's very, very dangerous and very risky to swing trade right now, which is mean holding positions anything longer than for a few hours, right? It's just, in my opinion, it's too dangerous and too risky right now. And frankly speaking, that's not our game, right? Day traders don't play to invest in a 401k or any kind of long-term strategies, right? Day traders want to get in and get out the same day. Okay, so anyway, here is an intraday chart with my Dino Bars filter on top of the TVIX. All right, so for those of you guys that are following along, I really suggest you at least start following or tracking the TVIX. Okay, you're going to find the intraday moves of the TVIX to be beyond belief. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So check this out. Right here, okay? The first green bar after any red bar, well, you guys already know that's a Dino long signal bar, right? What do? You capture the high, you capture the low of that Dino signal bar, and you wait for a potential 30% retracement, which gets triggered right there, okay? And you can see quite clearly that the entry and the fill would have happened somewhere in this section right over here where this box is, okay? Makes sense? So far, so good. But check this out. If I drive your attention to the y-axis here where the fill, the approximate fill happened, $550 a share, right? Easy enough. Now, check out where this thing ran to. Can you see the y-axis again on the high, like the very last green bar here, right? This thing touched 650, right? It moved $100 per share in 1 hour. You guys get what I'm saying? I'm not aware of any other stock at all. Tesla, Apple, Facebook, Amazon, nothing even comes close to the moves that printed today on the TVIX, and the moves, frankly speaking, that have been printing almost every day for the last few weeks, right? $100 a share. Like, even as I say that, I'm having a hard time believing that, right? But it's true, man. That was the long signal today. And then check this out, right? Short signal, the first red bar after any green bar. Say you missed this huge up move, right? And now you're waiting for a sell-off. Well, again, Dino signal bar. It's simply the first red bar after any green. Draw your highs, draw your lows, wait for a 30% pullback of this signal bar. You can see clear as day. It happened right there, and this thing dropped $120 a share. Right? So are you guys now starting to see why everybody talks about the VIX, why everybody is in love with the VIX, why volatility, aka volatile markets, why that's a day trader's dream, right? Because this is the kinds of moves that happens when the VIX and the volatility skyrockets, right? And the crazy part about it is you can actually trade this via stocks using this symbol TVIX. Now, word of warning, guys, as usual, you got to do everything else correctly, right? Place very tight stops, practice good risk to reward profiles. The TVIX, if you're not careful, it'll cut your head off, right? If you're not careful. But if you know what you're doing and you can properly forecast the trend, right? Properly forecasting an uptrend right in this area, right? Forecasting an uptrend before it starts and forecasting a downtrend before it starts. Well, here's the simple math on this, guys, and I'm only talking 10 shares, just trading a potential 10 shares. Forget about 50 shares, forget about 100 shares, forget about 1,000 shares, just 10 lousy shares. Then here's the math, right? 10 shares times a potential $220 move. I know that seems insane, but guys, trust me, when you watch this video, open up the TVIX and check out the intraday high and low, you're going to fall off your chair, right? 10 times 220, this is a $2,200 potential profit just trading 10 shares. So you can bet your butt that I'm going to be following the TVIX every single day now. I'm going to be putting it into my watch list. I'm going to be firing up a Dino Bars chart on the VIX. And I'm going to be looking for outrageous, absolutely outrageous moves like we saw today. All right, so if any of you guys out there have any comments on the VIX or the TVIX specifically, if you have any experience trading this particular symbol, I'd love to know your feedback. I'd love to know your comments, okay? Especially if you've put the Dino Bars filter on top of the TVIX and you've been able to capture some of these crazy moves. I'd love to know. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it informative. And if you have any questions on the Dino Bars charts, get in touch. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.